Wow, so we are live with these gorgeous girls.
Hi.
How are you feeling, girls?
Amazing.
So today you had your unveiling shirt, right?
Yes.
Cool, so we will talk about that. But first, let's start with the introduction. Vamika.
Hi everyone, I'm Vamika Nadi, the bold and outgoing finalist of Miss India 2017. I'm a very creative person. I have a penchant for detailing all art forms. I have a few journals. I have a doodling journal and in one of them I write. Yeah, so I'm aesthetic that way. And yeah, I'm fumble sometimes, when I'm nervous.
That's
fumble.
absolutely fine, Vamika.
Thank you.
Christina.
Hello there, I'm Christina Viju, FBB Girls from Miss India, Odisha. So I was born in Kerala, brought up in Delhi. Currently I'm pursuing my textile design course from NIM Bhubaneswar. So this shows my keenness to visit new places as well as visiting their culture.
Soibam. Yeah.
I am Subham Kanchantanu, representing the jewel land of the East, that is Manipur. And currently I am doing my master in public administration. And I love interacting new people from different backgrounds. And I love sketching and painting. Thank you.
Super. Rinky.
Kiran Raishra, representing Meghalaya and FBB Colors from Miss India 2017. I'm 21 years of age and I'm doing my graduation at Henry Girls College. I love swimming, painting, dancing and traveling of course. That's all. Thank you.
Audrey.
Hi, I'm Audrey De Silva and I'm representing Goa at FBB Colors from Miss India 2017. And by profession, I'm an anchor and model. And also, I'm pursuing my graduation in mass media journalism. And yes, of course, I love traveling, I love listening to music, and I love dancing and making new friends, of course.
So let's come back to the unveiling shot. So today, 30 gorgeous girls shot at Albert Hall Museum with the gorgeous Manish Malhotra outfit. So girls, what do you want to talk about that?
Yes, of course.
Let's start with you, Mamika.
Yeah, so guys, it was a wonderful day. All 30 of us dressed in Manish Malhotra's outfit.
And you all look lovely.
We all look lovely and we all had a different persona. All of us had been given different outfits that basically, defined us. And it was amazing. It was a wonderful day. It was such a heavy lehenga, but with all that's such a nice lehenga, you can't even get over the fact that you're wearing such a pretty outfit and you're looking so beautiful.
And it rained also in Jaipur today.
Yeah, so while we were shooting, it started drizzling. So it's really hot in Jaipur, but actually it was a good thing that it drizzled a little bit. It actually, created a mood for everyone, everyone got a little lit up after that drizzle.
Christina, how was your shoot today?
So it was really an amazing experience for me because I'm a design student. I pursue textile design, like I said. So Manish Malhotra is a person who I admire, who is an inspiration for me. So wearing his garments is like a dream come true for me. So I was very happy wearing, I was very happy with the dress I got, and looking at each and every person, they had their own style, their own way in wearing that. So mine was very easy to carry for me. So the shoot was amazing and I hope the pictures will come out really good.
What about you, Sobam?
Every girl's dream is to wear Manish Malhotra garment. So we all understand wear a different design of lehenga, and also I'm wearing the yellow tops with yellow lehenga. Yeah.
Yes, Vamika.
She's really cute and you can see the cuteness on her face. So her outfit was something that
I feel like a royal.
added an essence to her cuteness. So it was like that. Everyone had such an outfit which
To be honest, as a viewer, if I was looking at you, you all actually looked like a dream. It was like, wow. So you all were gorgeous and I'm waiting to see the unveiling shot. Even the followers and fans are waiting for that. Wow. So Kiran, how was your experience?
It's a really nice experience, I would say that, because actually wearing Manish Malhotra's outfit was like a dream come true. I always had a dream of wearing his designs. I can't believe that I actually wore that.
She's so cute when she speaks, right?
I actually can't believe that I wore that. I'm like so happy and excited. Really awesome.
So we have Uma Verma saying you all are looking pretty.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
So if you can wave to everyone watching you live right now, girls.
I'll show you the
Audrey, tell me, how was your experience, wearing those Manish Malhotra's outfit?
I think after watching मैं हूँ ना, मैं मनीष Malhotra had designed Sushmita set. So it was always my dream to wear Manish Malhotra. The moment I entered the store, I was like, wow, that is me that I'm gonna wear. So wearing those outfits, being a woman, I always want to get married wearing a white gown. But now it's like, no, I think I cancelled that plan. Mom and dad, I'm getting married wearing Manish Malhotra का लहंगा ही पहन के मैं शादी करूँगी. मैं तो शादी नहीं करूँगी. शादी हाँ नहीं करूँगी maybe. But yeah, that was really a beautiful experience. Something new, something unique. Everyone was dressed differently, like she said, and everyone had a unique style. And every 30 outfit that was there, everyone looked outstanding, and the designs were completely different. And I think everyone I think there was Jaipur, the complete Jaipur had to watch what's happening right there.
Exactly. The location was amazing, you know, it complemented your look as well.
I think we carried it off well too. Like all of us.
Kudos to you girls, pat yourself.
Actually, it's not easy to carry.
Exactly, it's very heavy also.
Carry in the sense like you have to be that person also.
Yeah.
And we standing
We
long
have to
time.
be that princess, that queen.
We are like the best.
I think we all slayed it.
Yeah.
So you can, yes, pat yourself as Vamika did.
Best in India, best Tani girls in India.
Alright, let's quickly start with the questions. Okay, the first question is, it's a common question. And the question is, one word that best describes you. So we start with you, Audrey. So what is that one word that best describes Audrey?
Courageous, because that is what my name means. Audrey means courageous. So I'm a very courageous girl. I'm a hardworking girl, and whatever I wish to do, I do it.
That was not one word, Audrey.
No, but Audrey does mean courageous girl.
Yo, definitely,
I
okay.
really like her name. It
Yeah.
reminds me of Audrey Hepburn.
And also unique.
Exactly. So Kiran, what is that one word that best describes you?
Simple. I would say simple. Because I'm a very simple girl. Yeah, I think
Yeah. What about you,
And for
Soibam?
me, the word that describes me the most is kindness.
Kindness. Oh, that's very cute.
She's really kind.
I can see you all bonding so well, you know, all girl love.
we've been staying together. I mean, it's been a lot of days that we've been staying together under one roof. Yeah, almost 2 weeks.
Very nice, very strong competition, but I see so much love between you guys and girls.
It's healthy.
It's amazing. Exactly.
And it's nice.
Very nice. So Christina, one word that best describes you?
One word that best describes me is creative.
Creative.
Christina, super creative. I'm a very creative person. As you know, as I said, I'm a design student, so I have to be very creative. I make a lot of artworks, paintings, so that's what keeps me going.
What about you, Vamika? One word is?
I think I'm outgoing. That's it. I'm outgoing. And whenever I see an opportunity, I mean, I have to grab it, even though I know that I might not succeed in it or something like that. Also, I'm approachable. Like if I see her.
One word.
Okay, sorry. I think outgoing. Yeah,
Yes,
I totally agree.
Yeah, she's
Wow, we have so many agreeing to you, Vamika. You have made...
we all know each other.
Wow, so who's your roommate, Vamika?
Right now, my roommate is Rinki Chakma. Deke sabko nikla.
So Rinki is like the Chashma queen here, right?
Yeah, she's famous. She's so famous. She's representing Tripura and she's an awesome roommate. I woke her up at 3 a.m. Yeah.
3 a.m.?
I was sleep talking and she told me about it. I was like, Rinki, wake up. They won't show us on TV. I don't know why I did that.
Alright, so we have this question for you, Soibam. This question is from Myra Preet. First of all, she says she wishes you all the very best. Very sweet. And she wishes all of you all the very best. And her question is for you, Miss India Manipur. She says, I saw your interview with local Manipur media and she says you looked very confident. Her question is, how has your response been back home? So how has your family, friends reacted to your victory?
Actually, being first Manipuri girl,
Exactly.
to represent my state to the FPB Colors Femina Miss India, they are very proud and encourage me a lot. They are showering blessings to me upon this, so I need to make them proud.
And you already are making them proud, you know. This is the first time we have gone to states and we have every representative from the states. Exactly, and you all have frown as well.
that's
Daddy will
achievement itself.
Yes, the coveted title Miss India.
Talking about families, tell us, how has your family and friends reacted to all of your victory? So Audrey, yeah?
Really happy. My mom is like, oh my god, you did it. She's like so happy, my mom.
What about you, Vamika?
I have been after this since a year. Last year also I auditioned. I was there for the semi-finalist in Mumbai. So my friends knew that I wanted to be there and they saw me working hard towards it. I would work out a lot. I would go out for trainings and everything. I knew what I did wrong last time. I needed to brush up myself a little bit. So yeah, they pretty much knew about it. They were really proud. They were like, your hard work did work.
So talking about that, Vamika, you receive a lot of compliments about your body. So what is the secret behind your fit body? And you all have the fit body, but yes.
I think I've never been fat or unhealthy actually, not fat. I've never been unhealthy, so to lose weight was not a big deal for me. I just changed my diet. I reduced sugar and carbs and worked out a lot. Worked out in the sense, not a lot, but yeah, I started. You have to concentrate on each part of your body. So you can't just go running and forget about abs and forget about working on your butt or thighs or everything. So you have to go throughout. So that's what I did, and I think it worked out pretty well for me. And I think I have a genetically good body.
Wow. What about you, Audrey? How do you stay fit? I mean, I'm sure so many people want to know how you girls stay fit, I'm sure workout, dedication, but what's your secret?
Okay, so I remember these days when I've actually spent my workout days and I'm actually crying in the gym and trying to work out. So I was totally dedicated. I used to hit the gym twice a day, and in the morning I used to do my cardio, and in the evening I used to do my weights, and I always concentrated on less of carbs and more of protein. More carbs and less protein, because you need your body, if you want to tone up your body, needs more proteins. Leave sugar, because sugar directly hits your butt.
Yes.
So remember that don't eat sugar. Sugar is the worst thing to eat ever. If you eat carbs, it's fine. Don't eat sugar. So I was on a very clean diet when I was looking at boiled veggies and boiled eggs. That was it for at least a month. So yeah, that was the proper diet that I followed. So I think it's about you and your dedication, because while working out, you need to be very strong with your willpower. If your willpower is strong, you can achieve anything. And especially in the gym, you have to have a good willpower.
Wow, so that's some great tips coming your way from these gorgeous girls. The other question is from Diksha Kitch. First of all, she says lots of love and best wishes to you all stunning ladies. And she has a common question for you all. Okay, her question is, what does the title of FBB Colors Femina Miss India mean to you? So let's start with you, Audrey.
I think the title FBB Color Femina Miss India means to me a lot, because I've worked for it for past 3 years. I've been training for it, and the one thing that it means to me is getting the pride back to my country, and that is all it means to me.
What about you, Rinki?
I believe this is
Soiba.
I believe this is a great pageant in India. It's the topmost pageant India we are having it, and being a part of it, I feel really great, and it means a lot actually. Being a part of it, it means a lot.
So Kiran, is this the first time you have participated in the pageant? Or
No, before I did it once, but this is my second time, I would say.
okay. What about you, Soiba?
For me, I think sis will have compassion, not only the people that have stature and status. For underprivileged, obviously need to think for that, and she must be beauty with brain.
So what does this title mean for you, Soibam? I'm sure you have worked really hard for this title. So what is that one thing that this title mean for you?
What did you win?
Yeah.
What is your reaction? What would you
First of all, to represent us that it's quite, big.
Exactly. Yeah.
So I think it's very important for me to represent my state and to learn something from this biggest beauty pageant of our nation. So I think I will get a lot of experience, and I met a lot of new friends.
Yeah, you all have made friends.
Yeah.
What about you, Christina? What does this title mean for you?
This title means a lot to me, because it's not just a crown I'm waiting for. It's a power to change, to create society, to stand out for the people, our people.
What about you, Vamika?
I think Miss India is the most prestigious pageant of our country, and to be an ambassador to represent your country is a big, big thing. People will look up to me. Who doesn't want that? I would definitely want it. I know it's selfish and greedy, but I want that. Everyone wants that. So being an ambassador of this country, that's what I want, and that's what it means to me.
Quickly, one fact about you, Audrey. One fun fact about you that you want people to know. It should be fun.
But
Yes.
oh God, I just realized what is the fun fact. I think I keep telling people the fun fact.
The
about
fun
me
fact about you
Fun fact
is the
about
best
me.
pageant thing.
No, no.
You should.
That is embarrassing moment. I think the best fact about me is that so I have nail extensions and there's books that I look at. I'm just kidding.
That's what I do. I had extensions.
Exactly.
That is what you can do.
That is what everyone does. I
Yeah,
think.
and you just speak about it. You just spoke about it. So
Yeah,
she's
and I
honest.
think I can do everything in public. Like not everything, but a lot of
Embarrassing thing.
like embarrassing. I tend to do that. I'm sorry, but I am like that.
What about you, Rinki? What about you, Kiran? I keep calling you Rinki. I don't know why, but Kiran, what is that one fun fact about you?
Fun fact about me is
Your phone and you.
Yeah, exactly.
She's stuck to her phone throughout the day.
I think all of us are.
No.
Okay.
It's her. It's only her. Okay, sorry. Continue.
So Kiran, what is that one fun fact about you? I think you all know everything about each other.
Yes, sort of.
so the fun factor about me. I actually have to think what is fun. Normally, I don't do lots of fun. You know, I'm a very simple and a quiet girl. I don't talk to people much. Little introvert, but then I would say fun factor.
We can come back to you. Don't worry.
Yeah, I'll think about
What about you,
I'm
Soibam?
also still thinking. I don't know what about me.
So who want to go next with that question?
Yeah. So yeah, I'm a bathroom singer, but that's not the fun part about me. The fun part about me is that I try to crack jokes at times, but people tend to laugh. That's the fun part about me. That was a joke.
So Vamika is thinking very seriously.
No, I just have fun. I don't know if it's. I think it's weird. I have this habit of throwing wrappers behind them when they're serious.
Oh.
Chocolate wrappers,
Even
chips,
I
and whenever I'm in that junk eating phase, the cheat days, and when I was in standard 9, I used to collect all these wrappers in one drawer. And my dad found it one day. He was like, "ये क्या है? ये क्या हो क्या रहा है? क्या हो गया ये तुम्हें?"
You know, my mother says the same thing.
And
she
even
finds
if
lots
the
of
room is-
garbage behind my bed.
Even if the room is clean, I just have this urge of throwing it. I don't know. I think it's something is wrong with me.
Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Swachh Bharat. Swachh Ghar Abhiyan.
Swachh Bharat.
So I think you should change that habit, right?
But you know, no one can see it. It's hidden. Only I know it's there.
Like I can still keep doing this.
Yeah. No one will get to know. So people know that I'm very clean and all of that. But अंदर की बात नहीं जानते.
अब हम सब जानते हैं.
And now everyone watching this.
Everyone knows about you are all lying.
किसी के घर आओ फिर देख लेना रावण मिले तो मैं नहीं काम I'll clean it around.
I hope your mom is watching this and
She definitely is. She's a Facebook addict. She must be watching, commenting, loving it.
Yeah.
Asking people to watch it. She's cutie patootie.
Alright, Kalpana says good luck, girls. So if you can say hi to Kalpana.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Amir says hello. We have a question for you, Christina, from Punya Shikha. And her question is, which one is your favorite place in Orissa?
Okay.
So which is your favorite place in Orissa?
So my favorite place is Puri. So it's a beach and I love beaches. So please, please. I love going to beaches and getting tanned, of course.
Deepak Sipka says hi, girls. Hello, Kanchan. Hope you guys are enjoying. So you have a message for that. Yeah. If you can say hi to Jackson Jack. We have Safi Ansari saying India Angels Rock. Wow.
Hey, we do rock.
Gabrielle says all the best, everyone. Anushka Mishra says hello, Vamika.
Hi.
Is that your friend? You don't. Okay. Okay.
I think yes. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yes. School.
Mrinali Pandey says hello, Vamika.
I love you. I haven't met her and I haven't talked to her since a long while. I hope you're doing great.
We have Karen Fernandez asking, girl, what next after Miss India? Also, she says, Audrey, I love you a lot. I know you know me. So she says.
Karen, oh Karen, I love you.
See, you get confused.
She's on my Facebook. I love you.
So what next for you guys?
What next is Asa?
Yeah, what next after this pageant?
After this pageant, I want to travel to North. Because I've seen enough of South, I want to travel. The first thing I want to do is travel and explore the place, and then maybe that will help me to focus even more better towards the pageant and then come back and do something better.
What about you?
I will ask what I want to repeat. Can you repeat the question? What do you want to do after the pageant? Or after Miss India?
Yes, what next after Miss India?
I'm planning to study in Bombay
Okay.
and start modeling here, like in Bombay, because I seriously want to be a supermodel. Seriously, like international one.
So,
For me, after this, I want to explore myself more than what am I now. So, and I also like to do further in the line of modeling because I genuinely like the interest in this field.
Nidhi Shukla, I think that's your mom, right? So she's here. She says, Vamika, there are many more things you do that the world needs to know.
Oh yeah, embarrassing things. Let it be.
I'm sure your parents, your family members must be watching. So if you can just wave to them. Any message you have for them right now?
I love Mama. I love you. I love you, Nita. I miss you a lot.
So my
I
mom
love
is-
my people.
Yeah,
Keep supporting
our people,
me.
the people who support us.
I love you a lot.
Yes, love you.
Just keep spreading the optimism. That keeps us going.
For
I
all
think.
of
And
us.
keep supporting all of us.
One good comment keeps us going. It really helps us. So just do
Girls
that.
And
hats.
another thing,
Yeah.
I just want to ask all my parents sorry because we are not able to
Receive their
Yeah.
calls,
Yeah, sometimes.
I'm
we are
not sorry,
able to talk to
ma'am.
them because of the busy schedule. So we'll catch them later.
I'm not sorry, Ma. You bug me a lot on WhatsApp.
The only thing I would like to tell my parents and the people watching me, all the Govins, that firstly, mom and dad, I really love you all, and I definitely know that you all have been very supportive, and thank you so much for your support and love. I wouldn't have been here without your support, and I know that you all understand, and you all are there to always push me ahead. And the people from Goa, Chennai, I want to make you guys proud, and I love you all, and just keep supporting, keep voting for me. The link is on my Facebook, and I love you all. I'll definitely try to make you guys proud. Love
Any message for your states, girl? This is your moment. This is your chance.
So hard, Jharkhand rocks, bros.
Christina.
Please save it to the ground. It's yours.
People of Manipur keep supporting me and I will do my best so that my people will.
We had a lot of questions for you from Manipur people. So if you can just say thank you to them for all the questions.
Thank you for all the questions and thank you a lot that keep supporting me and loving me.
Keep supporting me, keep voting for me. The lines are open, the voting lines are open. So please support me.
Alright, girls. Thank you so much. Yeah, Audrey. Yes.
Okay, only thing I would like to say everyone is that I've worked hard and I'm still doing that. I only need you all to vote for me, that's all. Just keep pushing me, supporting me. That's all.
For all of us.
Yeah,
That's
even
what.
for you guys to vote.
Keep spreading the optimism. Be positive about each and every one of
And
us.
another thing, apart from voting, please do pray for all of us.
Yeah.
Alright, girls. Thank you so much for the wonderful time. We are very sorry about the network. A lot of issues we had. So just say good night to you all.
Good night. Bye. Love you.
I love you guys. Good night. Bye.
Thank you so much, girls. All the best. Bye.